Hello guys. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we gonna talk about SBI yono applications, advantages and disadvantages. So let's get started. Advantages. 1. Account opening. With SBI yono, customers can open a new SBI account instantly from their smartphone without visiting the bank branch. 2. Digital banking. SBI yono app offers digital banking services such as fund transfer, bill payment, mobile/DTH recharge, and more. 3. Investment. The app also allows users to invest in mutual funds, insurance, and other financial products. 4. Loans. Users can apply for personal loans, home loans, car loans, and other types of loans directly from the app. 5. Credit card. SBI yono app provides an option to apply for SBI credit cards and track their credit card usage. 6. Bookings. The app enables users to book flights, hotels, and other travel-related services. 7. Shopping. Users can access a wide range of e-commerce sites and can purchase products from within the app. 8. Offers and discounts. SBI yono app provides exclusive offers and discounts on various products and services. 9. Account management. The app provides account management services such as checking account balance, downloading account statements, and managing account details. 10. Safe and secure. The app has several security features such as biometric authentication, device binding, and encryption to ensure secure transactions. Disadvantages. 1. Technical glitches. Some users have reported technical glitches while using the SBI yono app, such as frequent crashes, slow loading times, and difficulty in accessing certain features. 2. Limited features. While the app has a variety of features such as online account opening, fund transfers, and bill payments, it does not offer all the services that are available through the SBI website or in branch services. 3. Security concerns. As with any mobile banking app, there are concerns about security and the potential for fraud or hacking. While SBI yono has taken steps to ensure the security of user data. 4. Limited accessibility. SBI yono is only available to SBI customers, which limits its accessibility to those who do not have an account with the bank. 5. Customer service. Some users have reported issues with customer service, including difficulty in getting through to customer support and lengthy wait times for issue resolution. So that's it in this video. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Meet you soon. Bye and take care.